Before I show you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader the right way, without installing dangerous malware or useless bloatware, I need you to do one quick thing. Hit that subscribe button right now. I promise this one trick will save you from a huge mistake that 80% of people make. Still watching? Good. Let's make your PDFs open instantly and safely. Here we go. Launch your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Keep watching. The next step is where most people accidentally download a virus. Go to a search engine like Google and type in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Look for the official adobe.com link to ensure a safe download. Important: do not click on the first sponsored ad. That is a very common and dangerous mistake. Subscribe now so you never make this mistake again. On the Adobe page, click the Download Acrobat Reader button. You can uncheck any optional offers like McAfee or other antivirus software if you do not want them. Here is the secret that will make you hit subscribe. Most people skip unchecking these boxes and end up with 3 extra programs they never ask for. Do not be that person. Once the file downloads, go to your Downloads folder in File Explorer and double-click the installer application. Wait for the progress bar to reach Installation Complete. This step is very important. Do not open other programs while it installs, or you might crash the process. Click the Finish button. You can choose to launch the program immediately to ensure it is working correctly. Quick tip: if it does not open, restart your computer and try again. This solves 99% of problems. To make Adobe Acrobat Reader your default PDF viewer, right-click any PDF file on your computer, hover over Open With, choose Adobe Acrobat Reader, and select Always to keep it as your primary viewer. That is it. You are done. Now here is what I want you to do. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already, turn on the notification bell so you never miss my next video, and comment the word "done" below so I know this worked for you. In the next video, I will show you how to edit PDFs for free without buying Adobe Pro. You do not want to miss that. Subscribe.